Charlie. Rightio. G'day, you absolute legends. Stu from Uavfutures here. And today, well, a bit of an update, or me being a little bit grouchy, so we've got to talk about that. I know the audio might suck because I'm just using this front cam today, but we have a ton of videos lined up on the bench, ready to rock and roll, that I'm going to be pushing publish on very, very soon. Some big projects, so stay tuned for that. But however, today I'm going to be a little bit grumpy, and I am really sick. I didn't want to have to do this video. Really sick of this scammer. His name, well, the email, if you get an email from this, if you're a company watching this, or let me know if you've been affected by this, it is stu.uavfutures@gmail.com. That is not me, that is some impersonator, and I've been keeping it up for a while. I've been getting so many messages saying, hey Stu, how's it going with that review where we sent you this product? I haven't even got that. I don't know what you're talking about. Apparently the address is in India, I think, or that was the last time that I heard from it. So anyway, if that is you, stu.uavfutures@gmail.com, please off, because I'm sick of it. I'm trying to run a business here. It's been hard enough. 2021 was a really, really tough year, you know, struggling through depression, not being able to work, all that sort of stuff, and trying to get back on my feet, doing some videos, and I really don't need you out there sending out emails to other companies and trying to get products sent to you. Look, I could understand maybe if it was food, or you're trying to get some medication or something for your family, but man, these are fun little drone, like a fun little hobby, and it's actually detrimental to my lifestyle as well. It stresses me out when I got to go chasing up companies because those review videos aren't out, that I never even got the thing of it in the first place because you've scammed it. Anyway, if that is you, please just, I really don't appreciate it. So stu.uavfutures@gmail.com. If you get an email from that, it is not me. Hopefully the only email you'll ever get is uavfutures@gmail.com. That is the only email that I use associated with this channel. Anyway, other than that, coming up on the channel, you can see we've been working on a few little special projects, if I don't say so myself. We've got some stuff coming up. Heaps of videos coming out. I'm getting some working with some editing, new things as well that I can't wait to show you. It is very, very close. I've got like a big calendar of everything lined up. We are finally ready to kick it off. 2022 is going to be the year of Uavfutures. I can't wait. We're set up in the house, give you a house tour, all that sort of stuff. I've been flying around the yard, been doing more flying in the last month than I have done in the entirety of 2021. Other than that, I love every single one of you guys out there, except for whoever's writing those scam emails. Please stop that. Subscribe for more FPV related content. I want to give a huge shout out to my patrons who have still supported me through 2021, because without you I wouldn't be able to keep making this channel, keep sharing it, sharing this passion of FPV, getting other people flying, because that's truly what I believe in. And thanks to you, 2022, I'm going to say, is probably the biggest year that Uavfutures is ever going to have. So other than that, subscribe for more FPV related content. Kids, congratulations on your new baby, and as always, happy flying.